Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we are going to talk about FlexiFunnels and the overview of the dashboard of the new FlexiFunnels, which a company has recently redesigned and created an amazing dashboard for you guys. So let's go to the FlexiFunnels. Basically this is the FlexiFunnels, but before opening this I would love you guys to see that how it is opening. So first of all we just need to log in into the FlexiFunnels, and once you are logged in with your credentials you will get this types of overview, right? And here you can track every single thing, like how many page views, unique visitors, checkout views, and earning per visitors of your product. Okay, so basically here are things like today, yesterday, and weekly basis. You can track the things on these three options, plus you are having few more options like this. You can change the currency as well. Okay, and you can create the product from here as well, create a new project from here, and build a new funnel from here as well. Okay, so yeah, this was the things, but let me tell you about the basic overview of this particular thing. Okay, this is overview, and here we are having the project reports, and here we are having the product reports. Okay, so let's go first in the project reports and see what like actually we are going to get. Okay, so here we are having so many projects which we have created for ourselves, but okay, so let's see. I have created I have clicked on this project, but I guess okay, and not today, in the last 3 months I would say. Then here I'll have all the stats of this particular workshop which we have created for one of our clients. Okay, and yeah, this is what we got the overview, like project basis, right? We can say it's totally project based overview of the dashboard, okay, which we have created. And here we are having the product reports. Product reports simply means you just need to select the products and you will have each and everything about your products. Okay, so here we are having, for example, very less projects we are having. Okay, for example we selected this kickboxing workshop, and it is analyzing like what the thing is, right? And okay, basically these are my clients workshop which I have to host. Okay, and yeah, this is what you can do here. You can choose the project which you product, what product you want to see overview of. Okay, this is basically what, and here you can select the currency, here you can select the duration of like the project, कब से कब तक आपको देखना है, that's it. And yeah, these were the three options. And now let's go to the dashboard. Dashboard is basically the thing how it looks like. For now it's a new overview of the thing what we are having. Okay, and the new thing is products. Product simply means what product you have to create, or any recent product you have created. Then for example this funnel checklist recently I have created on 6th February. So yeah, this was something which I have created recently, and here I can filter out the same thing. I can say, right, so yeah, the each and every detail about your product, okay, what you have created. This is the project, and again we are getting the same options, right, which like if we have created, for example, this one studio, then I can see the overview and all, like every single thing about this particular page. Okay, so yeah, and the next thing is funnel. Funnel basically like adding the concepts and all, and adding the downsells, upsells and all, right? So this is what they are offering for now, and this is the settings where you can easily integrate your autoresponders, webinar integrations, payment integrations, other integrations. Okay, that's great. ChatGPT and Vimeo got connected, and yeah, conversion API. Now finally we are having domains. If we want to add any domain and all, then we can do it, right? It's in progress. Digital assets, if we want to create any digital asset, then we can easily create it from here. Email settings, okay, these are the cart appendant settings, that's it. And yeah, the basic things. So yeah, it's okay, that's really good. And here you can go on the profile, and once you click on this you will have so many options, and these are really an amazing options, I would say, right? Because this split test is like gold mine option for you, right? Source tracking is it's also a gold mine thing for us. Okay, And yeah, this is sub user access. If you want to get into the sub user, then you can go from here. You can manage those from here. You can see the knowledge base, tutorials, flexi proof, and timeline domination. And here's what, okay, yeah, here you can switch into the affiliate account of your FlexiFunnels. So yeah, this is what how FlexiFunnel is like renovating itself, and I created a new version of dashboard of FlexiFunnels, and that looks really awesome to me. I would love to know your point of view regarding to this FlexiFunnels. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the entire video, and I hope you got a clear-cut idea that how and where the new features are, and where you can get, and how you can create a new project, how you can create a new product. If I'm talking about projects, you just need to click here. Okay, projects, product, perfect. Okay, you just need to click here, create new project. Here all of your projects will be visible here. Okay, and if you want to create a new product, you just need to click here. That's it, nothing fancy, nothing extra. Easily you can create any of the type of product. And if you want to build a funnel, like the concepts and all, like upsells, downsells, and cross sells, then you can easily set up from here. Okay, so yeah, this is what I was talking about in this video. I hope that you got the clarity about how you can create few things in FlexiFunnels. So yeah, let's see, and see you in the next video with something interesting, something informative, and something which can help you to make money online. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next video.